The pandemic has accelerated the trend of online shopping. We do not only order from local shops, we do international shopping too. Thanks to the Korean wave, K-pop merchandises have become one kind of representative products of Korea. As a professional company in producing and distributing music albums for 41 years, they have set up many stores in South Korea, even in supermarkets and bookstores. Since 2013, they started to export K-pop albums and related products to overseas markets, such as Europe, the United States, China, Japan, Southeast Asia, and South America. With their online store on Coupang and their self-owned online mall set up in 2016 and 2019, their distribution network has become larger, and their tasks have become more complicated as well. Preparation of customs clearance documents and accurate measurement data of products is of significant importance. Any mistake could result in delay in customs clearance and penalties. Complaints from customers about wrong delivery could also happen. So they bought a BIS. By pushing the parcel against the trigger, you will have the measurement data ready. Apart from saving the data with the middleware, the data is mapped to the barcode too. Images of parcels are also a part of the data, preparing for customers' inquiries and complaints. Except for the BIS model, we also have PIL. Feel free to contact us for more information. See you in the next video.